Okay, very good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have been working out the problems on rank correlation, right? So already we completed the correlation coefficient, okay, Carl Pearson correlation coefficient, and we worked out the am I audible? Yes. So we worked out the problems on a correlation analysis, right? Carl Pearson correlation analysis, and we discussed about what are the problems you will get it variables, and then directly they may get x and y, and then they will get in a big value. You have to change origin scale, and then you can take an assumed mean and I can do it, right? Okay. And then with addition to that, with continue to that, we started the second method yesterday, that is called rank correlation. So this is a formula we discussed yesterday, right? This is a formula. So there are three patterns of problem in the correlation coefficient, right? One is ranks will not be given directly. The first pattern of problem is ranks will not be given. They will give the value of x and y, right? And for that x, we need to find out the rank 1. For y, we need to find out the rank 2. If you find out the difference between rank 1 and rank 2, it will be the d value. And you need to square it, and you need to summation of the d square you have to find out. That is the first pattern of the problem we have discussed, right? That is what we worked out the problem. This is a problem yesterday we worked out, right? If two variables are given and if three variables are given. Okay, so if three variables are given, you need to find out rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. Okay, and then when you are finding out the d value, if it is a 2 variable, d square is enough. But if it is a 3 variable, you have to find out the d square value for the first and the second variable, and d square value for the second and third variable, and d square value for the third and then first variable. So that combinations you need to work out, and you need to find out the 3 R value. Correlation coefficient value for first and second variable, correlation coefficient value for second and third variable, correlation coefficient value for third and first variable, R12, R23, R34. Right? So please note down this difference. If it is a 2 variable, you have to find out the rank 1, rank 2 and find out the difference and square it and get the total value. If it is a 3 variable, you have to find out the 3 rank for 3 variables, and you have to find out the correlation coefficient value for first 2 variables, second and third variables, and then third and first variable. So this is a problem we worked out yesterday, right? And with continue to that, we worked out the second part of the problem when the ranks are given directly. So here see, x and y variables are given, judge 1, judge 2 is given. Okay, they didn't give the value, they're given the rank directly. So now the procedure is same. Only the thing is the first 2 columns you need to delete it. That means the first 2 columns you don't have to do anything. Just directly make it as a judge 1 as a rank 1, judge 2 as a rank 2. And then find out the difference and substitute in the formula and get the R value. Similarly, if it is a 3 judges or 3 variables where the rank is given directly, this is R1, R2, R3. At the same procedure, you have to find out the D1 square, D2 square, D3 square. And also you have to find out R12 value, R23 value, and R31 value, right? So up to this, we worked out in the previous class. Okay. Is there any doubts up to this, guys? If you have any doubts in the rank correlation, please kindly let me know. In which area, which step you are getting confusion, or if you have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, we will move on to the third pattern of the problem. So with that, the rank correlation will be over. Any doubts? Please kindly reply. Since from today onwards is a lockdown, so we can't able to take the classes in the classrooms. Okay, so I'm using the Excel today. Please kindly bear with me. Okay, wherever the calculation is needed, please kindly work out and tell me. Okay, any doubts up to this? Shall we proceed to the next pattern of the problem? Yeah, guys, kindly reply. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, fine. Okay, so we will move on to the next pattern of the problem. So already I told you in the rank correlation, the first part of the problem is when rank is not given. Second part of the problem is when rank is given directly. And the third pattern is when the two values are repeated. or when the two ranks are tied or repeated the same value. In that case, how to solve the problem, how to get the correlation coefficient R value. Okay, now for that you have a separate formula. For the previous two pattern of the problem, the formula is same. 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n power 3 minus n is the same, whether its rank is given or rank is not given. But when the ranks are tied, for example, you got the x value. For example, I'm just saying, please take this example, x value 20, 30, 22, 24, 22, 30 again. That means in the x value, the 22 and the 30 was repeated 2 times. So when the values are repeated 2 times, in this case, how to find out the R value? And similarly, suppose directly instead of giving the value, they're given the rank directly. X or judge 1, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, again, rank 3. That can be added and then they can divide it and give you. Like 3 plus 3 means 6 by 2, 3. 3 is the rank 3. And then fourth place also they will put 3 on. Suppose 4 and 5th rank are the same rank. So they will add it and put it. So in that cases, you have to use this formula. Okay, so the formula is R equal to 1 minus, I think 6 is missing. Guys, please, there is a mistake in the formula. 1 minus 6 in the numerator, 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m plus so on, divided by n power 3 minus n. Please make a note of it. The formula, just see the slide, guys. The formula is there, no? The numerator. There you have to put 6 into. Before that flower bracket, put 6. There is a small mistake I made. So R equal to 1 minus 6 flower bracket summation d square plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1 by 2 into m power 3 minus m plus so on, divided by n power 3 minus m. Okay. So here you know the d value. D value is you are going to find out the difference between the rank 1 and the rank 2 or the rank 2, rank 3, whatever it is. Here this 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m is, for example, okay, if the particular value is repeated 3 times, or how many ranks repeated? Sir, only 2 numbers are repeated, means only 2 times you have to put 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m plus 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m. Suppose in the given series, sir, there are 3 numbers are same. So you have to put one more 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m. So like that it goes on. When you work out the problem, you'll understand. Is clear? Is there any doubt? See, 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m is, sir, if number is repeated 2 times you have to put this 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m. If number is repeated 3 times, put one more 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m. If it is 4 times, put one more time. If it is only one time, stop with 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m itself and close the bracket. Is it clear now? The numerator is clear because denominator you know. N is the number of pair of observation. M is number of times a rank is repeated. Please understand. Don't confuse with the formula, guys, because if you confuse with the formula, then whenever whatever the problem I'm working out, whether it will be confused for you only. So please understand this 1 minus 6 into summation d square that you know. This 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m is how many times the particular rank or number is repeated. Sir, in the x value, for example, you have two variables, x and y. In x, there is no repeated value. But in y, there is a one repeated value. So your formula should be 1 minus 6 into summation d square by 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m divided by n power 3 minus n. That's all. Because only one number is repeated. So you are putting only 1 times that 1 by 12. Suppose 2 numbers are repeated, put 2 more 1 by 12. Like that, it goes on. That's why I mentioned after plus, it's dots go on, it's so on. How many times the number is repeated or the rank is repeated, that many times you have to put that combination 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m. M is the value. Okay, how many times a particular number is repeated. For example, first one number is repeated 3 times means m will be 3. Or 2 times means m will be 2. Okay, so please note down this instruction And this is the descriptions of the formula. And for example, see, in the series, in the given series X or Y, if the third and fourth ranks are repeated, sir, both the values are same, sir, 40, 40, which is in the third and fourth place. So whenever you are putting a rank for those number, because the numbers are same, you cannot put the third rank for the 40 and then fourth rank for 40, because 40 is a number which is repeated 2 times. So in that case, the rank should be what? You should take third and the fourth rank, add it, divided by 2, you will get 3.5 as average. So you have to mention 3.5 in the 40th place and 3.5 in the another 40th place. That's all. And the next rank will be 5. Fourth rank is gone because number is repeated 2 times. So we have taken the third and the fourth rank place as an average, and we put the average for the 2 repeated number. And then the next rank should be 5, not 4. Don't put wrongly 4. Similarly, it goes on like that. For example, if there is a 3 numbers which is repeated, so it lies in the 5th position, 6th position, 7th position. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 divided by 3, you will get some average. So put that same average for all the 3 number, and the next number, 8th rank should be there. No more 7th rank, because 5, 6, 7, all the numbers are same, so we are taken an average. Okay. Now is it clear, guys? Shall we move on to the problem? Shall we move on to the problem? Okay. So this is a problem. Please note down this problem. Everyone has noted down the, sorry, everyone noted down the formula. Everyone noted down the formula. Please note down the formula carefully. There should be 6 before the floor bracket. Don't copy the wrong formula. I just made a mistake there. Okay, fine. Okay, now we will move on to the problem. Please take down this problem first. Everyone has taken the problem. Once taken the problem, please let me know. I will open the Excel sheet. Like that, you can open a column and you can also work out simultaneously. Okay, I don't have a board. Please bear with me. Wherever the calculation is necessary, please kindly update me the calculation part. Copy it. Everyone copy the first problem. We will do one by one, guys. Wait, we will do one by one. The first problem is, see, what is the first problem? Can anyone tell whether it is ranks are given directly or ranks are not given? The first problem is what? They're asking you to calculate the rank correlation, whether it is ranks are given directly or not. Not given. Very good, Abhinav. Very good, very good. Very good, JST. Yes. Ranks are not given directly. So the values are given. But here to see the values are repeated, right? Which values are repeated here in the x variable? In the x variable, which variables are repeated? See the x variable 60, 34, 40, 50. No, okay. So in the x variable, the numbers are not repeated. Okay. Now we come to the second variable, y. In y variable, which numbers repeated? Yes, Kishore, very good. Yes, yes, 45. 45 is repeated how many times? 3 times. Right? Okay, then yes, 40. Good, good, Abhinav. 40 also repeated. So 45 is a one number, 40 is another number. So 2 numbers are repeated. So now in the formula, what you have to do? How many times of 1 by 12 should come? 2 times should come. 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m divided by n power 3 minus n. Because Sir, two numbers are repeated. That's why we are putting 2 times of 1 by 12. Now, in that 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m, first m, what is the first m value? See the first value, 45 is repeated. How many times? 3 times. So, m will be 3 for the first 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m. Second number is repeated is 40. How many times it is repeated? 2 times only. So, 1 by 12, m will be 2 there. Okay, this is how you need to work out. So, I will just work out in the Excel. I can pin this value. You can spotlight both the screen and you can see. Okay, this is the second bottom. Now, others, those who know, you can go ahead. For others, I will try. Okay, I'm just working out this x and then y. Okay, now what is the x value? It is 60. Then y value is 34. Sorry, x value for 34, 40, 50, 45, 41, 22, 43, 42, and 66. Right? Clear? Now the y value. 75, 32, 35, 40, 45, 33, 45, 50, 45, 40. Now you got it right. So we have written all the values of the two variables, right? Okay. Now we'll move on to the rank column. You know how to find out the rank. Okay. Now tell me which is the highest rank in the x. Anyone those who worked out, can you tell me the flow of that rank for x variable? You can unmute and tell me. So the first one will be 66. And the second one will be the 60. And then the third one will be the 50, right? Fourth one will be the 45. Fifth one will be the 43. Sixth one will be the 42. And 7 will be the 40. Oh, sorry. 7 will be the 41. Eighth rank will be for 40. And ninth rank will be for 34. And 22 will be the 10th rank. Now is it clear? So as per the rank, we have assigned the rank. Okay, you know that is a common thing. Okay, and similarly for R2, and for R2, which is highest value 75, right? So 1, and the second value is 75 after 50 is the second value 50, and the third one is, so it's 8, not 40. Okay, sorry, it's 8, and which is a third rank for the y variable. 50 and then 45, right? See the 45, this 245 are the, I just highlight them, right? So 245 are there. That means which place in the third and fourth place. So third and fourth place means 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 7 by 2, 3.5. So you have to mention the average 3.5 in the both the places. Don't mention 3 and 4, guys. This is the way how you have to do when the ranks are repeated. Right? When the ranks are repeated.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
sir, there are actually 345, sir. There's another one.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So 345 means then 3, 4, 5. That means third place, fourth rank, fifth rank. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much? 12. 12 by 3. 4. Okay. So we need to apply 4 here. Guys, please understand. See, the first rank is 75. The second value is 50. And the third value is we have 345. That means the number 45 is repeated 3 times. So that means after the second rank, third rank, 45. And again, fourth rank is also the 45. And again, the fifth rank is also 45. So we cannot assume that, sir, which 45 is third, which 45 is fourth rank, because since the numbers are repeated, same, you cannot say that this 45 only third rank, this 45 only fifth rank. We cannot give like that because both three numbers are equal. So when the numbers are repeated, take the rank position of those three numbers: third position, fourth position, fifth position. Add all these three. 3 plus 4 plus 5. You will get 12. Divided by how many numbers are, how many times it's repeated? 3 times. So 12 by 3, you will get 4. So you should mention 4 as a rank for all these three value. All these three 45 value. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ranks is gone. Now we need to apply sixth rank. Sixth rank for which value? After 45, again 40 and 40 also repeated 2 times. I'll highlight that also. Okay, yes. Now see the 40. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth place a 40. And then seventh place, again the same number 40. So sixth and seventh place are there. 6 plus 7, how much? 13. 13 divided by 2, how much you will get? 6.5. That you need to mention here, 6.5. Now is it clear? Guys, is there any doubt in the repeated rank? Please, if you have any doubt, please ask me, because this is not the problem like the previous method what we worked out yesterday. Yesterday we just worked out rank and we have to find out the rank, we are assigned the rank and we got the difference. So simple. Now here you have to find out the how many numbers are repeated, and please note down the rank position of each number and add that rank position and take an average and put that average value for the repeated number. Don't put 3, 4, 5. Please don't do the mistake. If you have any doubts, ask me. Keeping quiet, not replying. Okay, it is not that you don't have any doubts. If you have a doubts, kindly ask me. Okay. So here, as already told you, in the X variable, nothing is repeated. All the numbers are same, so no problem. In the Y variables only, there are two numbers are repeated. One is 45, another one is 40. Clear? So 45. So the 45, all these 345, okay, in the position of third position, fourth position, fifth position. That's why we have to add 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12. 12 by how many times repeated? 3. So we have to put divided by 3. So 12 by 3, 4. That's why I mentioned 4, 4, 4 in the 45th number position. Second, next number after fifth rank, sixth rank. Sixth rank is 40. Again, seventh rank is also 40 number. So again, the second number 40 repeated 2 times. So we have to put the sixth and the seventh position. 6 plus 7, 13 divided by 2, 6.5. Now the sixth and seventh position is gone, which is now what is the next position? Eighth position. So eighth positions we have to give to which number? 35. So eighth position should be given to the 35 number, and the ninth position should be to 33. Yes, yes. And then 10th position should be given to 32. Right now, is it clear? So this the problem which I worked out simple. Sometimes in the X also you will get the repeated number. So in that case, here also you have to put like that only. It is not that, sir, only Y only you will get repeated value always. No. You will get repeated value both in X and Y also. In that cases, for X also you need to work out. For example, take the same problem. Now 50 is there. 50 is there. Again, one more 50 is there. Instead of 45, one more 50 is there. That means the third position is 50 and the fourth position is also 50. So 3 plus 4, 7. 7 divided by 2, 3.5. So you have to mention 3.5, 3.5. And 3 and fourth position is gone. You have to, next you have to assign fifth position. Fifth position is 43. Like that you should go. Okay. Any doubts? If you have any doubts in calculating this repeated ranks and repeated value, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll move on to the next column. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Don't sit with confusion. Don't think that it is not useful at all. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Since I don't have a board, I'm just working out through Excel. So maybe for some people, They will not understand. I'm working in Excel. They will be very much comfortable with the board. So for those people, kindly let me know. Is there any doubt? Is it clear, guys? Any doubts? Okay, fine. So now next we will move on to the D value. So you know how to calculate the D value now. So D value should be rank 1 R1 minus R2. So I'll just apply the formula in Excel. Okay, you can calculate manually. This minus this. So this is 1. So I will drag so that you will get the same. Now I got the value. See R1, see D1, D value is 2 minus 1, 1. Next 9 minus 10 minus 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 3 minus 6.5 minus 3.5. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 9 minus 2. 10 minus 4 minus, sorry, plus 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. 1 minus 6.5 minus 5.5. We got the value, right? Now we need to find out the D square. So since I'm using Excel and I'm applying the formula, please don't do the same thing. You can do the manual calculation. So if you do the D square, you will get the D square. That's it. So I need the summation of this value to this value. I got it. So this is the summation of D square. So I will make this D square as a subscript, superscript. Okay. Yes. Now, see, look at this problem. Everyone can understood the problem, right? So I got the D square, 1 square, minus 1 into minus 1 will be 1, 0, minus 3.5 into minus 3 will be 12.25. 0, minus 2 into 2, 4, 6, 6, 36, 3, 3, 9, 2, 2, 4, 5.5 into 5.5, 30.25. So if you add all the D square, you will get 97.5. Okay. Now, I'll open a Word. Now, can you able to see the Word, guys? I will just make this Word also a part of this. Yes. I think now you can view this. I think you can view both Excel and the Word document, right? Okay, fine now. Okay, now what is the formula, guys? R equal to 1 minus 6 into the summation D square plus, now you tell me how many times that 1 by 12 has to come? 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m. How many times that? 2 times. Very good, Abhinav, because two values are repeated. One is 45, another one is 40. Right? One is 45, another one is 40. So you have to put 2 times that 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m, again plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m. Okay, and then divided by n power 3 minus capital N. Okay, this is a formula, right? Everyone can see the formula in the Word document which I shared. No, okay, just a minute. I think. Okay, I'll share the Word document screen. Okay, first, before that, you copy this. You copy the table first. Guys, you copy the table first. and copy all the value, summation d square. And later on, I will go to the word. Note down all the values, guys, so that when you are applying in the formula, you have to tell me, because I will hide the Excel sheet and I will open the word sheet. So I cannot, then and there, I cannot do that. So you people note down and tell me what is the value. Right now you noted down. Okay. Now I will stop sharing this Excel. I will share the Word document. Now you can able to see the Word document, right? Yes, very good. Thank you. Now, this is the formula I told you, right? R equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m divided by n power 3 minus m. Sir, you can ask why, sir, you mentioned 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m 2 times. Means here in this problem, two values are repeated. One is 40, another one is 40. That's why I mentioned 2 times. If suppose if for the same example I told you, in X, you are getting 50, 52 times. That means three values are repeated. Then you have to put one more 1 by 12 by m power 3 minus m. Is it clear now? Which one you have to use it now? How many 1 by 12 is it use it now? Okay, good. Now I just want to substitute the value r equal to 1 minus 6 into what is the summation d square value? Square value 97.5. Okay, very good. So 97.5 plus 1 by 12 into what is m here? See the first number. Which is the first number repeated? 45. Okay, don't take 40, because when we are ranking based on the highest to the lowest. So first we applied first and second rank. Third rank only 45 is a number repeated 3 times, 3, 4, 5th position. That only we are taken average. So 45 is a number which is repeated 3 times. So you have to put 3 power 3. 3 power 3. M will be 3 here, because 45 is the first highest number which is repeated 3 times. So 3 power 3 minus 3, close the bracket, again plus 1 by 12 into, what is the next m value? What is the next number which is repeated? 40. 40 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So m will be 2. 2 power 3 minus 2. And divided by, what is capital N? What is capital N? 10, because 10 numbers are given for both x and y variable. Okay, good, good. So 10 power 3, minus 10. So like this you have to do. Now you have to simplify and tell me. Guys, since I'm working in the Word, I can insert the formula, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, so that's why I just written as per the formula 1 by 12 slash I just written. If you want to insert, I can insert the formula and take, but it will take a lot of time. Now you simplify. First you simplify the numerator. First you identify 6 into 97.5, what is the value? Plus 1 by 12, you keep it as it is. In the bracket 3 power 3, 27 minus 3, 25, 24. So 1 by 12 into 24 you will get, plus 1 by 12 into 2 power 3 is 8 minus 2, 6. So 1 by 12 into 24 plus 1 by 12 into 6. You will get 1 12 so 12, 2 12 so 24. So 2 plus 1 by 6 in the numerator. Yes, Madhu Singh. Madhu has given, JC has given the answer. 1 point R equal to 1 minus 0.606, which is equal to 0.394. R equal to 0.394. Guys, if please, after this second step, please, there are 2 more steps are there. You put that simplification and tell me, no problem. Don't do it hurry-burry and don't copy the problem, what I written in the Word as it is. I'm just giving the outlook of the calculation part. You need to simplify. That's why I told you orally. So the numerator will be 6 into 97.5 plus 1 by 12 into 27 minus 3 plus 1 by 12 into 8 minus 2 divided by 1000 minus 10. This is what the next step. And after simplifying the numerator and denominator, you will get 0.606. Before that also, I will put you one step. JST, can you tell me what is the numerator value? 1 minus the numerator denominator value. If you tell the
So it is 600 by 990.
600 divided by 990. So now, guys, this should be in the bracket. Don't copy as it is, because these people will copy directly and they will read that it is 1 minus 600 divided by 990. So 1 minus 600, like that they will do. So please. So the numerator value should be 600, denominator value should be 990. Please cross check. After multiplying 697.5 and 1 by 12 into all those things, you will get that. Okay, so after that, you can say, you can find out the R value equal to 0.394. Okay, so this is a final value. Now tell me, this 0.394 lies between plus 0.252 plus 0.50. That means 0.25 to 0.50 means low, moderate, positive degree correlation. Since R equal to, after copying this answer, you can write since R equal to 0.394, 0.394, which lies between plus 0.252 plus 0.252 plus 0.50, which lies between 0.252 plus 0.50. Therefore, there is a low, moderate degree. There is a low, moderate degree positive correlation. There is a low, moderate degree positive correlation. Clear? Yes, JST.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, that 6 which is outside the bracket, so is it only for sigma d square, or we have to add
only for sigma d square?
Okay, so then the values will change. So I added everything in the bracket and then I multiplied it with 6.
No, 6 into sigma d square plus 1 by 2, no.
So I thought that 6 is outside of the bracket. So we have to add everything inside the bracket.
1 minus 6. Open the flower bracket, right? Inside the flower bracket only everything's are there. This is right.
Okay, sir.
This is correct.
Okay, sir.
What you done is correct. Okay, guys, please take down this answer and I have given an interpretation also. So like that you have to do. Okay, everyone has copied. No, you should not rank from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, the procedure is from the biggest to the smallest. You can rank, but it will be like a vice versa. You need to apply some other formulas for that. Okay, but as per the regression rank correlation, they are saying is you have to go from ascending order, from the top, from the highest to the lowest rank. Because why they are not going for smallest to biggest means when you are ranking, see, take the left hand side is highest value. For the highest value, you will not give the highest rank. Highest rank means what? Number 1 is highest rank. If you see the value, it is a low value. But if you see in terms of the rank, that is highest rank. 1 is highest rank. So to match that difference only, they are going for highest value to smallest value. So if you compare this rank side, if you see the rank side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, that means small to the highest. That combination will work out. Otherwise, you will get the a disturbance in the value, right? When sometimes both mid value will be there where it shows the same value. In that case, you cannot justify that which one is the exact thing. So in that cases, they will not use from smallest to lowest. They will use highest to the lowest. Why? Because we are ranking from the low value 1 to 10. 1 is the highest rank, but the value is 1. So in that cases, they are going. Okay, is it fine? Guys, now the first problem is clear. See, the values are given and the values are repeated. So for that, you need to assign the rank. When for the repeated numbers, you have to assign the average rank. Okay, sometimes the same problem, without the value, they will give the rank directly. Suppose if the same ranks are there also, you need to take an average and you have to put it. Okay, now we'll move on to the second problem. I think, is it clear? Any doubts in the first problem? And your doubt is cleared, Shubham, or is there anything to be explained again? Please let me know. We have 20 more time so that we can finish one more problem also. Am I audible, guys? Okay, clear. Okay, Shubham, thank you. Okay, now I'll stop this Word document and I'll move on to the PPT. Yes. Yeah, guys, now you can take down the second problem. Please note down the second problem. And now the second problem, it will take time to do that because see the second problem. In the second problem, whether the values are given or the ranks are given. Can anyone? Whether the values are given, the ranks are given. Okay, good. Ranks are given, very good. So here in the second problem, they given the rank directly. But how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. So now the judge A, what are the rank given by judge A? That will be the R1. So R1 directly it is given. Judge B, R2 is directly given. And judge C, rank R3 is given directly. Now they're asking you to interpret which pair of judges will have the nearest approach to the common taste in beauty. The same problem which we worked out in the previous class, right? Judgment regarding the fashion design. There they given the rank, but not repeated tied rank. Here it is tied rank. Now you just take this judge A, judge B, judge C as R1, R2, R3. Take the values R1, R2, R3. R1, R2, R3. And find out D1, D2, D3, D1 square, D2 square, D3 square. I just sorry. I'll copy this problem and I'll put it in the Excel. Everyone copied the problem? Shall we work out the problem? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, now since everyone has copied the problem, I will stop sharing the PPT and I will share the Excel sheet. If anyone not copied, please let me know. Then after stop sharing my PPT, don't ask to share the PPT again. If you want, you can. Otherwise, I will copy and I will put it in the Excel itself again, so that you can copy that. Now I'll share the Excel screen. Yes. And now everyone got the Excel screen, right? Can I able to view the Excel screen, right? Okay, fine. Now, so the judge one is the judge A is R1. We can make it as R1 and R2 and R3. And next we have a D1, and next we have D2. We will have a D1 square, a D2 square, D3 square, right? Okay, now what is the R1? Judge rank 1 given by judge A will be 3, 5, 4, 10, 8, 8, 1, 6, 8, 2. Similarly, for the rank 2 judge given by the judge, second judge is 5.5, 5.5, 1, 8.5, 4, 10, 2, 7, 8.5, and 3. This is the rank given by the judge 2. And the rank given by the judge 3 is 9, 9, 7, 5, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 9. Now is it clear? So we have written the given rank value in the Excel sheet, and we are going to find out the D1, D2 value now. D1, D2 value now. Okay. Yes. Now D1 is R1 minus R2. Okay. I'll write it here itself because some people will get confused. R1 minus R2. And the D2 will be R2 minus R3. The procedure is same as we did in the previous class. Now the rank is given as a type rank, R3 minus R1. Now you tell me this is D1 is what? R1 minus R2, right? And D2 is R2 minus R3, and D3 is R3 minus R1. Okay. Now, okay. So now D1 R1 minus R2, right? This minus this. Oh, sorry. This. Enter so that you will get the D1 value. Drag it. And this into again this. Enter, you get D1 square value. And D2 should be R2 minus R3. And the D2 square will be this into this. And the D3 will be R3 minus R1. This minus this. Drag it. And here D3 square will be this into this. Enter. So now we got all the values. So now we need to find out the summation D square, right? Summation D1 square. I'll copy and paste it here. So now the summation D1 square. Okay, this one. Summation D1 square. Close it. So you got the summation D1 square is 41. Summation D1 square is 41. Summation D1 square is 41. Next, summation D2 square. Summation D2 square equal to sum of 12.25 plus 12.25 into 36 will get 193. And again the summation D3 square will be equal to sum of Okay. Now we got a d1 square value, dt square value, d3 square value. Please take and make a note of it. Summation d1 square value will be 41. Yes, Abhinav. Good. Summation d1 square will be 41 and d2 will be 193 and d3 will be 218. Now you got the value, right? Okay. Now the procedure is, go back to the yesterday's problem. We have find out R12, R21 and R31, right? Now the same procedure you have to follow. Now first we have to find out R12. That means judges A and judges B. RAB. It is called as a RAB. That means rank correlation of judges A and B we need to find out. So now A and B means the rank which was given by the judge A and the rank which was given by judge B, R1, R2. Now in this R1, R2, now go through this R1, R2. In R1, how many values are repeated? 3, 5, 4, 10, 8, 8. 8 is repeated. See, in the first variable, 8 is repeated, right? 8 is repeated. Okay. The second rank, 5.5, 5.5, 8.5, 8.5. Right? Okay. Now, when you are taking R12, that means R rank coefficient of A, judge A and B. Now the formula will be how many times of 1/12 pair should come? Tell me. Anyone? Now here how many numbers are repeated? You have to compare two variables, not only one variable. You have to compare judge A and judge B because we got the problem 3 variables. Yes, 3 times. Very good, JST. We have to put 1/12 into m power 3 minus m as a 3 times because 3 numbers are repeated. And we are calculating the R value for 2 judges A and B. 3 numbers are repeated. What is the 3 number? 8. Second, 8.5. Third, 5.5. So 3 numbers are repeated. So 1 minus 6 into summation d1 square plus 1/12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1/12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1/12 into m power 3 minus m divided by n power 3 minus n, you have to write. Because 3 numbers are repeated here. Okay, now what is the m value for the first 1/12 into m power 3 minus m? Anyone? What is the m value for 1/12 into m power 3 minus m? First pair. 3. Very good, Shubham. Very good, Jayesh. 3 because 8 is repeated 3 times. So 1 minus 6 into summation d1 square plus 1/12 into 3 power 3 minus 3. First pair m will be 3 because 8 is repeated 3 times. Plus 1/12 into what is the second number? Second number is 8.5. 8.5 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So second m value for the second pair will be 2. Similarly, what is the third number repeated? 5.5. How many times 5.5 repeated? 2 times. M value will be 2 again. Okay. If you are confused, I will just stop sharing this and I will go through the word. That is a difficulty, right? Okay, fine, no problem. See, now I'll write down the formula for the third problem, guys. This is problem number third. I'm sorry, second problem, right? Okay. So 1 minus 6 into summation d square plus 1/12. Again, we need to put one more 1/12 into m power 3 minus m. Why? Because 3 numbers are repeated. 3 numbers are repeated. 8, 8.5, 5.5. Okay. So how many times the number are repeated is you have to mention that many pair of 1/12 into part. Now the next part is calculation part. I will put this is R of AB. That means judges A and B are well 1 minus 6 into summation d1 square, right? So what is d1 square? 41. I'm sorry. Summation d1 square is 41 plus 1/12 into m power 3. I told you, right? What is the first number repeated? 8. 8 is repeated. So 8 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So 3 power 3 minus 3. Minus 3. Close the bracket. Plus 1 by 12 into second number repeated is 8.5. How many times 8.5 repeated? 2 times. So 2 power 3 minus 2. Close the bracket. Again plus. Again third pair of 1 by 12. Third number is 5.5. 5.5 is how many times repeated? 2 times. So 2 power 3 minus 2. And divided by what is n here? What is n here? 9, 10. 10, okay. So 10 power 3 minus 10. So like that you have to do for judge A and B. This is for judge A and B. And judge B and C you have to do. Okay, now first after simplifying, tell me what is the R value for judge A and B. And then R value for judge B and C will be 1 minus, I'll copy this formula again. And now you people have to tell me. Okay. Okay, first work out R value for judge A and B. What is the value people are getting? So R1 value will be 0.734. Okay. 0.734. Okay, guys. So the rank R12, that means the rank given by judge A and B, its coefficient value is 0.734. Please make a note of it. Okay, now next we need to work out for what? Second and the third judges. That means judge B and judge C we have to work out. So when you're going for judge B and judge C, already we worked out. I will stop sharing this word and I'll share the Excel sheet. Now see, in the rank 2, 2 numbers are repeated. Okay, in rank 3, how many numbers are repeated? See, in the rank given by the judge C is how many numbers are repeated? 3 numbers are repeated. 9. 9 is repeated 3 times. 5 is repeated 3 times. 2 is repeated 3 times. So 3 numbers are there. Now, already rank given by the second judge B, 2 ranks are repeated. And rank given by the third judge C, 3 ranks are repeated. So totally how many pairs of 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m should come? 5 times. Very good, Jayashree. 5 times you should come. Because we are taking the first part is over, guys. The first rank correlation coefficient R value, we got it for the judge A and judge B. That is what 0.734 we got. Now we need to find out the correlation coefficient for judge second and judge 3. Previously we calculated for judge 1 and judge 2, A and B. Now we need to calculate for judge B and judge C. When you are calculating the rank correlation coefficient for second judge and the third judge, rank B and C, you need to see this R2 and R3 only. So in the rank given by the second judge is 2 ranks are repeated, whereas in the rank 3 given by judge C is 3 numbers are repeated. So 2 plus 3, 5 times. So you have to put 5 times of 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus m plus 1 by 12 m power 3 minus m, like that. For each pair, you have to put how many times the number is repeated. Okay, I'll stop sharing this and I will share the word now. Okay. Now see the second pair is we need to go with through still already 3 times are there. Yes. Now we need to go with 2 more times. Okay, now see the formula, guys. See the formula. I'll maximize this also. I'll zoom. See, for first one, Three numbers are repeated, so we are mentioned the 3 times of 1 by 12. For the second, judge B and C, 5 numbers are repeated. 5.5 is repeated 2 times, 8.5 is repeated 2 times, number 9 is repeated 2 times, number 5 is repeated 3 times, number 2 is repeated 3 times. So 5 numbers are repeated. So 5 pairs of 1 by 12 into m power 3 minus 1, 1 by 2 into m power 3 minus 1, 3, 4, 5 pairs we have mentioned. Right? Okay, now we need to substitute the value. So now what is the first m value? I'll put the m value, right? So R of BC, second judge, equal to 1 minus 6 into what is the D2 square, D2 3 square, 193, 193 into plus 1 by 12 into what is the m value for the first number? 5.5 is repeated 2 times. So 2 power 3 minus 2. And the second pair 1 by 112, 1 by 112 into 8.5 is repeated how many times? 2 times. So 2 power 3 minus 2. And then the third pair 1 by 12 into third number is 9, right? 9 is repeated 3 times. So 3 power 3 minus 3 plus 1 by 12 into what is the fourth number repeated? 5. 5 power, sorry, 5 how many times repeated? 2 times, 3 times. Okay, 5 3 times repeated. So 3 power 3 minus 3. And the last pair is 1 by 12 into last one is 2. 2 is also repeated 3 times. So 2 power 3 power 3 minus 3. Okay, divided by total n is same, 10 power 3 minus 10. That's it. So please understand, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Similarly, you have to do it for, yes, JST has given the answer for R of B and C judges. Second and third judges value is 0.1767. And similarly, the R value for judges C and A, that is third and the second judges, is minus 0.
It's minus 0.21.
Which one? Third one. BC.
Second.
Minus
0.21.
21. Okay. And for the third and the first judges, R value is 3292.
Minus 0.36.
Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I think it's already time up. So please note down this answer. You can try this. The procedure is same, guys. The procedure is same. Okay, now you can note down the answer. See, the R value for the first and second judges is 0.734. R value for the second and third judges is 0.2 minus 0.21, and the third judges is minus 0.36. Now you need to interpret which pair of judges are good. Which value is showing maximum? The rank correlation for judge 1 and 2 is showing maximum and also showing positive, right? So the judge A, that is first and second judge, are they are the nearest approach to the taste in beauty. Like that you can write. Okay, so everyone has copied. Any doubts? Please kindly bear with me, because since I don't have a board, so it will be difficult for you people to understand the word, but I'm just giving the oral explanation also. If you have doubts, please ask me. No, it should be multiplied as 6 into summation d square plus. That's why I told you, whatever she did is right.
Sir, no, sir. 6 should be only divided, multiplied to d only, sir, not remaining.
So
because
the formula,
in last method we did same. 6 was divided, multiplied to only d, sir. Last method also.
okay, when you are multiplying, you are getting that answer, right? So that is for the whole only.
For all the values, sir?
Yes, see the bracket, Navin. See, it's a floor 6 into floor bracket of summation d square plus 1 by 2 into m power 3 minus m up to this.
Okay.
You have to add and you have to multiply with the 6.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone note down the answer. Shall we wind up the class, because already 20, 11, 20, you need to join for next class, no? So at least you need some 5 minutes break. So guys, please, I already told you, since I don't have a board, I'm just explaining through the excellent word. If you are finding any difficulties, let me know. I'll explain once again. No problem. Whether if you are taking more time also, no problem. But you should understand. Since you are so familiar with the board, you maybe expect the same thing. But in the word and all, to take some. See, now we are taken 1 hour time to solve only the 2 problems. The second one also we didn't complete, but we gave the answer. Is it clear? Everyone has noted this answer for the second problem. Please let me know so that I can wind up the class. If you're not replying, then I don't know what is the thing you're in. Is it clear? Answer is there in the document. R value for the first and second judge is 0.734, second is minus 0.21, third one is minus 0.36. So you can interpret, since the R value for judge 1 and 2 is positive comparing to the other one, therefore judge 1 and 2 are nearest to taste of beauty. Like that you can conclude. Okay, Devian, thank you so much. Okay, now I'll stop sharing this and I'll end this class today, and tomorrow we will see the regression. See, this is the rank correlation we discussed today. And please just quickly take a screenshot of the homework problem. Just quickly take a screenshot of homework problem. This is a homework problem under the rank Spearman rank correlation. Once if you are taken, tell me. I had given the problems under each pattern. When ranks are not given, when ranks are given, when the tied ranks are tied, repeated numbers are given. Okay, done. Everyone has copied, taken a screenshot. So with this, correlation is clear, over. So Karl Pearson method is over and the rank correlation method is over. If you have any doubts in the rank correlation, please let me know. Okay, tomorrow also we will spend some 10 to 15 minutes for explaining the rank. If you are not understood, if you are clear, no problem. We'll move on to the regression. Okay, fine. Yes, so with this, we will stop and tomorrow we will take a regression. Okay, so thank you all. So just have some 5 minutes break and join for next class. Okay, we will meet you again tomorrow. Thank you all.